Hello friends, I'm Jave, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel where I share informative videos on how to make money online without any investments. So if you like to make some free cash without any investment, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Without any much talking, the site we will be talking about allows you to mine up to 10 currencies, which is cool. They have an automatic withdrawal of funds, and the most interesting part is that you can receive your payments without any investments. With all that being said, let's hit the Get Started button to create our new account. Okay, now scroll down and enter your username, email, password, confirm password. Check the CAPTCHA and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Sign Up Account to create the account. After creating the account, let's now log into our newly created account. I'm sure you're wondering what the name of the site is. The site is CubeHash, and I will put link in description below, so you are free to check. After logging in, your account should look like these, but scroll down and let's have some fun. Well, over here, we can mine Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USDT coin, Ethereum, and so many more. There are lots of currencies which we can mine. I suppose you scroll down to see for yourself. I am mining USDT coin with the site at the moment, and I already have about $1.4. The good thing about these sites is that after setting up the mining, you can leave the site, so it continues to mine on autopilot. Isn't that just fun? Making money while we sleep. Now let's set up our mining rig. As you can see, there is a Start Mining button on the right side of every currency. Click on it and it will start mining us some cool cash. I have some bonus tips to share with you, so be sure to stick around. After clicking on the Start Mining, it will start mining right away. And without making the video any longer, scroll to the top and click on the Open Menu Account button. From the drop-down menu, you will see Dashboard, Bonus, Deposit, and so on. But click on Bonus. What the bonus does is that the site gives you a bonus mining power every 24 hours, thereby allowing you to mine even more. So make sure to claim the free bonus every day. As you can see, I claimed my bonus already. It is randomly given, sometimes high, sometimes lower. Talking about making more money, you can reinvest your minings for more mining power if you want, but before you take that step, you have to know that I'm no way a financial advisor, but just some random guy who likes to make money online. Now let's go ahead and withdraw our mined currency. The withdrawal process is quite simple and it takes less than a minute to withdraw your earnings. But before all that, as we all know, every site has a minimum withdrawal limit, so be sure to check. As said, Litecoin, for example, has a minimum withdrawal limit of 0.2 Litecoin. Dogecoin has 150 and Binance BNB has 0.055. After reaching the minimum payout conditions, scroll to the currency you want to withdraw. Type the amount you want to withdraw. Paste your wallet address and click on the Withdraw button and wait for the earnings transferred into your account. And if you don't understand something, please rewind the video or let me know in the comments section. That's pretty much talking, and I'm thinking of making videos on affiliate marketing, where the money lies. Just let me know in the comments section what your opinion is on that. Above all, please hit the subscribe button below, like and share the video with family and friends so that they can also make some free money. That's all for today, with much love and stay blessed. Bye.